All right, these are the last three of the new dishes that we're going to be showing to you guys today in these videos. The first one is a chicken skewer dish. Matt will go into detail on that one in a moment. The second one is the sampler platter. As you can see, there's been a change to how the chicken is prepared. We've also added back onion curls, so we'll talk about those a little bit. And then finally, the filet mignon. This is just a plated filet mignon. What we want to highlight here is that now with all of our steaks, obviously with the exception of the tomahawk, which has an included side, and steak frites, which also has an included side, all steaks will be served with bistro butter and roasted garlic mashed potatoes. We'll talk about the substitutions in a moment, but first I want to get Matt into talking about this new chicken skewer dish.
Okay, so this is our new chicken skewer appetizer. These are skewered in a satay style. Each skewer is 1.5 weighted ounces of chicken breast. We slice that 1/4 inch thick and then thread it through a 9-inch skewer after it's been marinated. The marinade is a red chili marinade that has red bell pepper, some Vietnamese chili garlic sauce, brown sugar, and blended oil. And we're marinating that overnight. That's going to get grilled quickly. This grills quick, so chefs, when you're training this, make sure you're using a probe to temp these. We have 2 dipping sauces on the side, and you'll need to know these because they're not listed on the menu. So this is a sesame soy dipping sauce. We make that with sweet Thai chili sauce, some soy, and some sesame oil. And then we have a sweet chili mayonnaise here, which is the same sweet Thai chili sauce and mayonnaise, a little bit of sriracha, and some rice wine vinegar. And then the garnish on the side is a little rice vinegar quick pickle, kind of meant to be a palate cleanser in between bites. This whole dish eats fairly sweet, and there's a little bit of sweet heat there, but it's not. I would not call any of this spicy.
Okay, and then these are incorporated into the sampler platter. The exact same dipping sauces, 3 of the skewers. We're still offering 3 shrimp. We're still offering 3 of the ribs. And then what we included into this was our onion curls, which, Matt, I'll let you talk about those for a moment.
So very similar to what we were doing before, if you remember these or around, but this is a 1/6 inch sliced white onion. It gets marinated in buttermilk, and then we've got a seasoned rice flour that we dredge it in, which is rice flour, some salt, some granulated garlic, paprika, and ground black pepper, and we lightly coat that and fry it. The rice flour helps us maintain a nice light crunch and a nice kind of craveable addition to the sampler back.
All right, and then we discussed now that all steaks, with again the exception of the tomahawk and the steak frites, will be served with a side of roasted garlic mashed potatoes. That's 6.5 ounces and topped with the bistro butter. So in the next video, we'll talk about substitutions because I know you'll have some questions on those as well.